te comprar. Tengo la misma idea. ¡Otra vez!
Mr. Chairman, despite the burden of 27 years of terrorism, my country has succeeded in leveling behind the indignity of poverty. Sri Lanka has attained middle-income status. We have also achieved an impressive literacy rate thanks to free education, effective free of charge healthcare system, and a low unemployment rate. We have constructed a new network of highways and railways, harbors and airports, and other infrastructure facilities. Sri Lanka will utilize these new facilities to attain the government's goal to become an aviation, shipping, knowledge, and financial hub. Mr. Chairman, Sri Lanka has taken a proactive role in the open working group of the United Nations on developing post-2015 Sustainable Development Agenda. We have advocated for the mainstreaming of youth aspiration and concerns in the global agenda. Sri Lanka hosted the World Conference on Youth in May this year. The Colombo Declaration on Youth was finalized with the participation of policymakers and young people to formulate youth initiatives in accordance with respective national requirements. Youth are not only our future, but also our present. Within the open working group, Sri Lanka has also
nuevamente por servir de eventos en nuestra sociedad. Gracias.